Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for your footwear. Today we brought very special crochet footwear. May you not see before. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe now so that you can find our new videos with new ideas. Crochet shoes have several benefits including comfort. Crochet shoes are often soft, flexible and breathable, making them comfortable to wear. Customization. Crochet shoes can be made to fit individual foot shapes and size. Sustainability. Crochet shoes are a great way to upcycle or repurpose yarn, reducing waste. Unique style. Crochet shoes offer one kind of handmade look. Relaxation. Making crochet shoes can be a calming and meditative activity. Cost effective. Crochet shoes can be made at a lower cost than purchasing commercial shoes. Durability. With proper care, crochet shoes can be quite durable. Crochet shoes can be made with moisture wicking yarn keeping feet dry. Warmth. Crochet shoes can provide warmth in cold weather. Easy to clean. Crochet shoes are often easy to clean and maintain. Some of popular crochet shoes includes ballet flats, sandals, sneakers, boots and slippers. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch this video. Crochet shoes can be made to accommodate orthotics or arch sport. Crochet shoes can be made with yarn infused with essential oils for a calming effects. Crochet shoes can be made with reflective yarns for increased visibility. Crochet shoes can have grip soles added for traction. Crochet shoes can be made with adjustable straps or laces and can be designed for benefits such as plantar facilities relief. Eco-friendly materials. Crochet shoes can be made with eco-friendly materials like recycled yarn or hemp. Customizable for disabilities. Crochet shoes can be made to accommodate disabilities or special needs. Crochet offers a creativity outlet or artistic expressions. Crochet shoes can be bring people together through shared projects or gifts. Remember one thing, crochet shoes are a fun and creative way to express yourself, but not be suitable for all occasions or activities. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique idea. Thank you for watching.